Alright, greetings everybody. As a little edit, I've been wanting to do this for a little while, upload this some little surfing, paddling footage from leaving out from Coral Cove. There's the building there, yeah, that was it. Alright, so set out, the waves are rolling. Believe it or not, sometimes this place is like glass, beautiful for snorkeling, but today was a day where I didn't really want any guests at the hotel to follow me. Keep your eyes on that ocean. Never take your attention away from that for too long. Keep going here. Alright. So usually I'd go on a rigid board, but this is an inflatable, very fun, very transportable, very flexy though. You can see how the board is bending. Not really the best thing for surfing, but hey, it's fun. Going to have some fun here. So this is the cove next door to the hotel, Coral Cove. And yeah, here's the first wave, and this one intentions were good. No, did not work out. Yeah, inflatable paddle boards, very unstable, very fun, good for a laugh. So alright, spliff safety first. Alright, spliff is alright, everybody's okay. So anyway, around now I'm trying to get a little bit more serious. Let's go, get up there, let's go. Alright, so anyway, surfing a big board like this is a lot different from shortboarding. Anyway, this wave I thought I was feeling very confident. Here we go, got the stance nice and low, and that felt quite satisfying. Yes, not been surfing much that side of the island, not much waves. Lots of other good stuff. You can see some of it in the video if you know what I mean. Oh, okay, yeah, just so you know. Nobody's perfect, alright? Let's just have a laugh. Alright, spliff's okay, we're okay. A lot of paddling. Yeah, a lot of waves. You think you're gonna get this little bump. Almost. I give that one an A for almost. Oh, okay, steady. At this point, alright, fuck it. Why did I bring this spliff out here? Anyway, almost thought I had this one too. But you know what? The best surfer is the one having the most fun. Yes, look at that sunset. Alright, here we go. Not really. Anyway. Alright, keep watching. It's about to get real entertaining. Here we at this one. Alright, here we go. Yeah, almost had it. We saved, recover. No, did not recover. No, it did not in fact recover. Anyhow, alright. So it goes sometimes. So anyway, 1 and 2 good waves. Usually I come out here with a rigid solid plastic board which actually surfs a lot better but does not have a camera attachment, so not so much shits and giggles or good memories and so on. So anyway, good exercise, good sunset always. Anyway, best surfer having lots of fun, or at least some amount of fun. Anyway, I'm smiling, right? Look at that sunset. Oh my gosh. Yeah, you can really see how the board is bending here. But as I said, I love this inflatable board. It's by GILI or GILI. How do you pronounce that? GILI. And you roll this up in a backpack, go anywhere with it. So, love it same way. I guess a bit choppy going back into the hotel. The sunset is kind of finished now. Paddling through some rocks. Be careful if you're at Coral Cove doing this. Rough seas. I nearly ate it there again. Anyway, yeah, it's a little technical coming through there when the sea's rough, but like I said, this place is like snorkeling paradise sometimes. Yeah. If you're familiar with this place, then you're about to get a look at your favorite rooms, your favorite wellness resort with a dispensary. Alright, yeah, that was good. So anyway, if you watch this long, you must be into this kind of stuff, so I need to upload some more footage like this, so you don't know, just subscribe or one of those things there. Until such time. Yes, Coral Cove Wellness Resort, Westmoreland, Jamaica. Alright, yeah man, that was it.